Now I will show you how you can preview or view your blog in um, you can preview it how it looks like in mobile or tablet or desktop. So you just go to appearance on left hand side, and you go to customize, for example, and then
First of
if
all,
you see at the
you
down,
click File.
if you see the controls here, so you can see this is in desktop, so I'm previewing this website or blog. So it's just website preview, so it tells me like this the viewers will see my website if they're using desktop or laptop. If I click the middle one, it will tell me how they can view it in tablet. So if I click menu, so like this, they will see it will be listed like this, and my post will be shown like that. So this is how people will see it in tablet about like the blog. And if I want to view it in mobile version, I will click the third one, and like this, this will be like the mobile screen. So it will be menu. I can click on the menu and I can see how it looks. So this is just test that will show you how the readers can view your website in mobile version or tablet version or desktop version, so that you know how it will look like.